Today I will show you how to make a plastic sheets from pipes. After flattening the pipes, you can make anything you want for your project. Firstly, take a pipe. And make vertical line on that. Now we will cut this pipe vertically as per the line. Okay, now we will heat this pipe on stove. We have to heat the pipe till it softens. Make sure you don't heat too much or else it will melt. Now immediately press the pipe with heavy weight. I have used granite, you can use anything that is flat. This is the final results. Enjoy, you have made it. Do like, share and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.